going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the MAONO. Am I saying that right? The MAONO. Yeah, I've been pronouncing it wrong forever. So we have the MAONO Lavalier wireless microphone system. Now, I already did an unboxing on this, but unfortunately the footage got messed up. So just doing a quick walkthrough real quick. So you have two transmitters, a receiver. They give you the audio cables, one for your camera and one for your cell phone. All right, then you have the three-headed dragon charger. I call it the three-headed dragon, but they give you three wind muffs and two lavalier mics. Okay, so they give you the wired option if you want the wired, or you can just go ahead and do it wirelessly. And for one thing I can tell y'all, this thing is flawless. All right, flawless. When you first unbox it, all right, this is what your box look like. Lift your box up like that, and then you have the foam and the mics. Now, like I said, I have already been using this, so here y'all go. You get a carrying case. All right, everything in here is a mess because I use everything. All right, so we are going to take that off. Once again, you got two transmitters. All right, so basically you have two microphones. You could give one to you and one to whoever you interviewing, or if you have a podcast, you have one and your co-host, or however you work out, whatever you do, have one. So this is what they look like. The wind muffs, I can honestly say, is a little bit hard to get on. You have to kind of like go in an angle and then push down and then put the other one on. All right, it's not just, you just try to push it in. It won't go in if you just try to push it in. So once again, you have to put it in the angle and slide the other one in. And that's pretty cool. All right, so you take this off and there goes your mic. All right, and if you want to use the wired option, you can go ahead and plug it in right there. That's if you want to use wired, but why would we use wired if we love wireless, right? All right, on the back, you have your charger port right there, and you have three buttons over here. One is for the muting of the mic. You can mute your mic. One is for your power, so you could turn it on to connect. And the third one here is to pair it. All right, so you pair it with this one over here. And we're going to turn it on right now. So that's the turn on because we already paired it. So we're turning that on right there. And then we're looking for our receiver, which is right here. So this is the receiver. You got the output here. You have your headphone jack here. That's what I hooked it up to. And then I hooked this part up to the camera. And if they already label it for you right here. Camera. So this is the camera wire. All right. You got the camera wire, and where is my phone wire? Phone wire is somewhere, you guys, but they do have a phone wire. All right, and if you have a DSLR, you got this clip right here, and it goes right on top of your DSLR. All you do is turn this on. You see how this is blinking? So when you turn this on, which I already paired it, that's it. It's connected. And once again, if you have a partner, you just tell your partner to, hey, turn on your mic, and he or she will turn on their mic. They give you three wind muffs. We have the three-headed dragon. You can charge all three devices if you want to at one time. Got the two wired mics if you want to be wired up, tangled up. All right, you guys, and before we go outside, here is everything in the case. So I have the charger here, I have the wired mics right here, wind muffs right there, and I have the the 3 devices right here. I still got the hookup for the camera here. Once again, the phone wire is, I believe, upstairs, so just know that it comes with the phone wire. And if you want this to be just your mini travel kit, there you go. All right, you guys, so we have the MAONO lavalier, wireless lavalier, and we are going to test out the sound quality. So right now I'm going to turn this one on right here, and I'm gonna turn this mic on. I'm gonna turn this mic on, and now I have these 2 linked up, hopefully, and this one goes on top of your camera. All right, I'm not going to hook it up yet. I'm going to put my mic on right here. I'm going to plug y'all in.
All right, testing.
All right, mic check. Hopefully y'all can hear a difference. I'm going to unplug it one more time, and so y'all can hear the sound quality. Now I'm going to plug it back in so y'all can hear the sound quality. Now, this is me talking regular. This is the backyard, as you can see. I have mic number 2. All right, you guys, so he's gonna talk regular with no mic on. So how was your day in school today?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Very good?
Yes.
No trouble?
No trouble.
Okay, you guys, so that's me and him talking while we just using my mic only. Now we're gonna turn his mic on. That one.
Hold it?
Yeah, hold it. Now talk to me. All right, let go. You don't have to hold it.
All right.
Now you're talking to me?
Yep.
All right, so hopefully y'all can hear the difference. So how was your day in school today?
Good.
Really good?
Yes.
Very good?
Yes.
All right, you guys. So we are about 8 foot away. Hopefully I have sound on this, because if I'm recording this whole thing and I don't have sound, I'm going to be very upset. All right, so from where we're at right now to where y'all are at is about, I say 10 to 12 foot. And right now we are about to feed the birds. So we are going to go over to the shed right now. The shed right now is about, I'll say, about 60 foot away, 65 foot.
Yeah, 60.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
All right, so we are going to the shed right now.
I hope y'all can still hear us.
Yeah, we hope. We got our mics on, ready to pull out some food for the birds. Hopefully they can still hear us. All right, you guys, walking back to y'all. We are at the end of this review, and I just want to say that this mic set is a beast, okay? The sound on this is awesome. Like, if y'all watch my other reviews on the other lavalier mics, like some of them you hear it like static, you know, you can hear the frequency go, you know what I'm talking about. When you go further away, you can kind of hear some static or whatever. This, I'm telling y'all, at least 75 foot away, this thing was still clear. So other than that, that's the end of this review. I do recommend this lavalier mic set. 2 mics. All right, you guys, like, comment, and please subscribe.